Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 20th of October, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. So let's dig into the straight through major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, we had our bias was long. Technically, as you can see, we were expecting a pullback long at this level, and we had a very small counter short trade, but after that we are long, and still some of the traders are still holding a long trade on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and refine entries and exit. That's what exactly we do it. And if you look at the EURUSD, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis review, that we were expecting this breakout. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, video link is given in the video description. We had this breakout trade, and we have a one counter short trade, make only few pips. As you can see here, the price nicely hit to the first fib channel with a profit target, which you can see here, bank only few pips. But at the New York session, when as explained to my trader, we are expecting here our bias was long as long as the price. Let me share with you the 4-hour charts here. So as explained to my trader, as long as the price can stay above the previous high, our bias is still long and possibility of pullback long here. So you can see here, price came back and developed pullback, and we have this pattern is developed, which is technically we can call it as a bull flag pattern. As you can see here, we had a breakout and long trade, and some of the traders are still holding. But as explained to my trader, it's time to consider move your stop loss, tighten your stop loss, or move your stop loss at the break even. We'll let you know tomorrow about these updates, but we had amazing trades, especially on cable pairs, on pound dollar. Let me share with you on the 4-hour chart. If you look at here, yesterday we had our bias is long, but still is long now. And this morning we had a CPI news for the cable, which came out negative, and we had a short trade here, this breakout, and after this bearish engulfing candle, we still had a short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, which we explained to trader, that's the first target, and we banked beautiful pips. And afterwards at the New York session, once I explained to my trader, if the price is going to stay above this previous high, then we're going to be taking a counter long trade here. So we had a long trade here, and let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market both short and long. Beautiful trade this morning on pound dollar. Okay, so if you look at this morning, we had this this analysis I did at the Asian session, and we had this breakout, and because we were expecting going to see some short trade here. And then in the London morning session, after the news released, I explained to my trader, if you have taken this breakout based on the previous analysis, you can keep holding it because the news is in our favor. So we might going to expect another pullback and just keep taking a pullback, and that's what we explained. As you can see here, just before London Open, the news was released 7 p.m. I did live analysis around 7:30. We had a beautiful pullback after this breakout. We have 1, 2, 3 beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the price develop another pattern, or we'll see at the New York session. So at the New York session, as you can see here, price reverse. Just before the opening bell, I did live analysis, and based on the live analysis, as you can see here, I explained to my trader, look at this candle, we have major bearish rejection, price respected support level, still above this level, and in intraday, these are the level which price previously respected, as you can see here. So if the price is going to break, then we're going to be taking a long. If the price going to break this support, then we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade here. As you can see here, momentum is bullish, even the price broken this resistance and retest. This is the confirmation we had it, and we also had it the 4-hour price action supported. Beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what explained to my trader enjoying profit. So we had such a nice beautiful short trades and the long trades. That's what we do. We analyze market in fundamentally and 4-hour price action, and then refine entries and exit in intraday, and that's what we trade every single day. Okay, so dollar CAD, if you look at the dollar CAD, we sort of faced a consolidation throughout the day, but as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short. Let me explain to you. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as I said to you previously, as I mentioned even yesterday analysis review, that we're expecting this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Overall, our trend and bias was short here, and we had a beautiful short trade here even in the New York session. And I just mentioned to my traders, it's time to bank some profit and let's wait, because the price hit to the previous low. Let me share with you the analysis. If you look at the previous analysis, which is this analysis I mentioned you about yesterday, that we are looking this breakout. If the price is going to break, then long, otherwise short here. So you can see here price broken after the breakout. That's explained to my trader. As long as the momentum is bearish, just keep taking a pullback, banking few pippies. That's what exactly we do in intraday. And at the New York session, I explained to my trader, overall we can see the price is developing a downside channel pattern. Momentum is still bearish. We had a weaknesses in dollar. You can see here price nicely broken even after the breakout. Price nicely retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So we had such an amazing trade on dollar CAD, pound dollar, and a pound yen too. Let me share with you the pound yen. We had a short trade, as I explained to my trader. We had, as soon as the price failed to maintain the previous high, news was also supported. We have a negative news for the cable, as you can see here price, and if you look at this candle pattern, well, that's what I explained to my trader. If you look at, we have sort of like an evening star type of candle pattern is developed, and that's what we have taken short trade here and explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here, and the target would be this level. And you can see here price nicely hit, and at the New York session we were long here. Still our bias is long, as long as the previous high is broken and the price stay above that level, we still have bias long. Only we're going to take a short if the price is going to break this recent low and then retest, give us the confirmation, that probably going to be looking at short. Otherwise, keep taking a long trade here. All right, let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I did this morning and this afternoon. Okay, so if you look at this morning, we have this after the news reaction, that's what I explained to my traders. So this price is broken this previous low, and if the price is going to retest, you can see explained to my trader, price develop a double top here, and if the price is going to retest this level or break this level, then we're gonna keep taking a short trade here. News is negative for the cable, momentum is bearish. If the price is gonna break this major, then we're just gonna keep taking a short trade here. You can see here beautiful short trade here, then we announce another short trade here. We announce all these short trade through live audio commentary in order to make sure that trader don't miss any opportunity and back amazing profit. All right, so at the New York session, that's what I explained to my trader. Look at this price, look like is respecting it major support level. So in order for us, because the momentum is developed bullish, and that's what I explained to my trader in more detail through live intraday analysis, that the momentum is bullish. And if you look at here, this is the previous low is broken. Price did not respect this previous support broken. So this is what we call it false breakout, right? So that's the another sign possibility of price might going to reverse, but we need a confirmation. And that's what I explained to my trader. Possibility price might going to come back and retest, and then we're just gonna keep taking a pullback long trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, that's gonna give us the continuation of bearish. So let's see how that's gonna go. So as you can see here, exactly as mentioned on the analysis, price retest, even the price develop a double bottom at the support level. That give us the confirmation. Look at the bottom, momentum bullish, 4-hour support level supported. We had a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, which is the first fib channel, it's always, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So you can see here, we had such an amazing trade based on the 4-hour price action plus the fundamental element into it, and refine entries and exit in intraday, and banking pips every day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result through this platform, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train traders with a live market in real time and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So feel free, even if you are experienced trader. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys, to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.